Welcome. If you want to change vibration settings in your Huawei Y6 2019, for the first you have to go for the settings, move to the sounds, and here we got the vibration option. There's the vibrate in the silent mode, so we can activate it with the switcher. When we scroll down, we can find another vibration options. There's the vibrate on the ring, and here we can also adjust it with the switcher. And when we enter the more settings, we'll get the last vibration option. There is the vibrate on the touch. So there will be option that the vibrate when touching the navigation keys and unlocking the device. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. So yeah.